Hi guys, I just want to give you a little tutorial of how to use Epic. I know some of you have a ton of books at home that you're reading. I know some of you have gone through your books, so you're looking for some more. So Epic is a really great resource that you can use now from home to access many books, and there's over 40,000 books, and it's almost just like shopping in our classroom library. So I want to show you. So this is what it looks like as a student. I'm going to go into one of your profiles, I'm hacking you, and just kind of take a look at what Epic is like. So I'll click Bowen. He's usually a good sport about being a volunteer. So you can see that there's a bunch of different options. You can see that there's new releases on Epic that you can scroll through. There's Kitty and Dragon. There's Bark Parks. There's Cosmic Pizza Party. So there's a bunch of different options that you can choose to read from. Here are some series. So we have Big Nate, Scaredy Squirrel, Adventure Time, The Boxcar Children, Goosebumps, Smurfs, Garfield, The Berenstain Bears, Rainbow Magic. Girls, I know that you love those books. Milo and Jazz are a popular one. So they have a lot of really great Captain Underpants. That's right up Bowen's alley amongst many of yours. So they have a lot of really great series, and it's a lot just like our classroom library. Mallory on the Move, I know some of you are currently reading that before we had to leave school. So you can see that there's nonfiction, there's fiction, there's series. So I just want to kind of show you what it would look like to find a book. So if we were to see if they had Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Let's see. Doesn't, oh wait. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, here we go. So if you were to click on this, it says book 1, and it would start reading it to you or reading it yourself. So you can use this page to kind of, or get this scroll to kind of turn the pages. I'm not sure if this one reads to you, but I know that some of them do read to you. So if we were to exit out of this and go back, you can go to the read to me section. There's no Diary of Wimpy Kids that are read, but let's see if we go back. Oh, you can click your interest here. So there's a lot of different ways to sort through your books. But let's go back to the Epic homepage and go back to Read to Me. And these are all the books that can be read to you. Okay. Here are ones that are popular in Read to Me. So if you feel more comfortable choosing that, feel free. But if you feel comfortable reading to yourself, that's also fine. They also have audiobooks, which is great. So you can scroll through those and see what audiobooks you're interested in. Oh, another Captain Underpants, another Rainbow Magic. And then finally, the F&P, you can explore by your reading level. So say that you're reading in a range through an L through an O, you can do that and it'll sort books that are L through O. So this is just a really good way to keep reading, keep experiencing new books. And I hope that you guys all try to use this so that you can dig deeper with your reading knowledge and you're not reading the same books over and over again. And I think this is just a really great tool that we can use while we're out of school. So I hope that this is useful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Bye!